Hello everyone, guys. I know that you're celebrating right now that it's a beautiful Monday with such incredible price action. I understand, but nonetheless, there is so many breaking news right now. As the reason why we're pumping so much, let me explain why we're pumping so much and why, in my opinion, we're going to be at $100,000 before year end for Bitcoin, and at least at around $4,000 or $5,000 for ETH. I'm hoping at least $5,000. So if you look at the price action of Bitcoin, it is pretty crazy. Look at it. It's pretty intense, but this is what we've been speaking about. I told you guys all along, please believe in Bitcoin. If you didn't, well, shame on you. But hopefully now you will start waking up because Mr. Spot On has been making millions of dollars in front of you for so many years. I hope you've been making these millions of dollars together with me because I just became a tad bit richer, to say the fucking least. So if you're not participating together with me, look, the Ethereum trade is starting to perform quite nicely, plus $417,000. Once again, this realized is incorrect, just because I was trying to figure out why it's showing so much, even though it's supposed to be just partial realized minus, and also it's supposed to be the funding fee of about 100 Gs, so it's not supposed to be 283, and it's also not showing up in the account. If you actually check the account balance of this challenge account, then we're actually up to 1.4 million. So it's not really accurate, this thing here, but it is what it is anyway, because remember, we started this account with $1 million. I did add to it, but then I actually withdrew from it, so it's exactly the same amount we started with. So therefore it's 400,000 in profit, and it's 1,400,000. So we're 40% up on this account. And remember, our target here is $10 million. I'm gonna keep you posted. Also, the Solana trade, I will give you an update on my approach to Solana trade shortly, but overall you can see that my profit so far on Solana is 31,000. And actually, you know what? I'm going to cover it right now before we move to the news and the explanation why we are pumping so hard and reasons why we're going to probably keep pumping very hard. So if you're going to actually see the orders on Solana, just generally, if we speak about Solana, I still think that it's still got massive upside. Again, I hate Solana. I don't like it. I'm one of those Solana haters. I just don't fucking like it. But nonetheless, as I was telling you before, that we've had our first take profit, second take profit, third, like the area wise, and then 230. But I think it's gonna go higher. That's why I don't want to really close this trade yet. In case if we do dip lower, I don't think we're gonna dip all the way to $120. That's why this is where all of my other orders were, just to take these trades. But I just increased them. I just put these orders higher, the limit orders, to add to this long trade on Solana to make it also $1 million long trade. So I've put the orders at 135, 148, 160, 174, and 190. And we get, let me show you the orders. So if we, in case we do dip lower, so it's going to be just another great one to add to the position. So, and again, the lower we go, the bigger order value it becomes. So that's why we're going to be getting the best average entry price. So that is about it when it comes to Ethereum and Solana. And like yeah, very nice. You guys remember that I'm personally trading on Bybit as well as TapBit. And with Bybit, you can use my exclusive link down in the description of this video to sign up with it. And the benefit of Bybit is you can get up to 42% discount on trading fees and also a $30,000 initial deposit bonus, only if you use my link down in the description of this video. And with TapBit, the benefit is that they don't have KYC. So depending on where you're trading from, you can actually trade freely with no bullshit, no KYC, no headache. So they also offer up to $32,000 initial deposit bonuses if you use my link to sign up down in the description of this video. And generally speaking, I trust both of the exchanges. And they just, one gives you an extra discount on trading fees, the other one is non-KYC. So go choose yourself. Now when it comes to news, and news are just the news are coming out right now after Trump's victory, like every single day a little bit better. So for one, SEC Chair Gary Gensler, whom we don't really like that very much, is expected to resign by the end of December, which is nice, isn't it? But I mean, with Trump, I think so many nice things will be coming about. And also, we are seeing also de-escalation in Iran. We are also seeing de-escalation and some kind of ideas from the Russian side. So all these geopolitics might improve and probably will improve. But that's not it. Look at this. And if you're going to look at Ethereum and you're going to say it's pumping like crazy, and like, I mean, it's pretty intense. And it's not a fake pump. It's an absolutely real pump. Because if you look even at the weekly volume, holy shit. I think that this is just the beginning. Honestly, this is going to be the catch-up trade for Ethereum, because Ethereum has been suppressed for such a long time that I wouldn't be surprised to see it break all-time high very soon, maybe within even weeks, theoretically, just because it was suppressed for such a long time. And right now we're seeing such huge pushes from trillion-dollar asset managers and multi-billion-dollar asset managers from US, also for Ethereum, not just for Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin, yeah, we've seen it, Larry Finn, so many other ones, but with Bitcoin, maybe with Ethereum, just a couple, like Larry Finn, BlackRock, and now also VanEck, huge asset manager, CEO, speaks on altcoin market and says that Ethereum is a contrarian play right now. Oh, wow. And this is a good entry point for ETH, and Ethereum will be one of the big winners. That's what I told you about. Ethereum is going to be really one of the hugest winners out there, and that's why I have this 2-point-something million trade that I'm not going to be closing anytime soon. Maybe I will even consider adding to it if we see a sudden dip, just to shave the hamsters and kick out all the long traders. So that's also a possibility. But now, that's not it. From the list of good news, we have China likely to unban Bitcoin in the next 2 months. When that happens, oh God. Especially, why is that important right now? Is because we have this news right here that China announced a $1.4 trillion debt bailout and is working on more measures to boost the economy. So it's basically like quantitative easing. So they're stimulating the economy, putting the money into the economy. Where is it going to end up? And then if they unban Bitcoin, and then we have the ETFs, and we have Trump winning the election, and we had the Bitcoin halving. Do you understand what could be laying ahead in the next 6 to 12 months? Like, do you really understand? Because I'm not sure that you do. Now, when it comes to BlackRock, one more piece of news that is going to just make your brain absolutely explode is that BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has surpassed its gold ETF after seeing an all-time high inflow of 1.1 billion on one single day on Thursday. Note that BlackRock's gold ETF launched almost 20 years ago, and the Bitcoin one just surpassed the gold one. Do you see the tendency here? Do you see that these big institutions and asset managers and trillion-dollar companies are saying that Bitcoin is superior to gold? Then why are they accumulating more of Bitcoin than of gold? Do you see this trajectory? And yes, a lot of the capital, in my opinion, especially with time, is going to start transitioning from gold into Bitcoin. So it's going to be it's going to be incredible. So if you're not paying attention to this, and I understand that it might be a little bit difficult for you to, show these kinds of results yourself, and it's understandable, absolutely understandable. In order for you to actually make it in this bull run, you need to really stay in tune with the market. You really need to keep proper trading statistics. Like, for example, us in Kralow Trading Club, in the last 8 months, which has not been the best time in the market, arguably some of the altcoins crashed 80%, and we made plus 66% with very little risk. Those who actually followed us with higher risk, some actually doubled their deposits, some tripled their deposits, and quadrupled them without even the current pump, without the actual numbers that we currently have from the crazy pumps that are happening in the market right now. So become part of Kralow Invest Club. I'm going to leave a link to it down in the description. This video as well as in the pinned comment at the top, so you can come and join us and actually use this market to your advantage to create generational wealth and actually do it all properly without trying to trade yourself. You just come and you copy what we do, and that's it. And you just basically, all you got to do is copy things that we trade, that we actually short or long, buy on spot or in futures. You simply copy it, and then you can be counting on something like this, or even better, considering that the market is going to just absolutely explode right now. So that's about it, guys. Check out all the links down in the description of this video, also to Bybit and TapBit for all the bonuses. And check out this quick tutorial popping up on the screen as to how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with proper risk and money management. As always, peace and love. Thomas Kralow. Stay smart, stay very rich, and we already are. So just be on this journey and don't quit, and just stay strong for the next 6 to 12 months, and you'll do okay. Bye-bye.